guided meditation to start the day. Sit still in your comfortable space. Light up the incense stick and put some drops of essential oil you brought from that Ponzi scheme you know nothing about. Take a deep fucking breath. Allow your eyes to close slowly as you begin to relax. Let all those fucking thoughts come out as you have no fucking idea how to handle it. Let them free. Let them float around your moldy house. As your soul starts to become empty from all those fucking thoughts, take another few deep breaths, because why not? Breathe in peace, breathe out problem. Now let the universe sending you whispers of today's affirmation. Repeat out loud, deep inside your heart. The universe supports me and I am surrounded by true fucking abundance. I am not lost, but they really are. It is my right to show up to all those fuck nuggets exactly as I am. I deserve all that I desire. Others can feel that too, but after me. I can manifest anything in a sec. Bitcoin? NFT? Not a big deal. My energy is so good that I can resonate high vibration and attract everything, including all those yoga chicks and bearded men with buns I met in ecstatic dance. I am worthy. I am happy. And I am spiritual as fuck. Slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the warm Bali breeze gently stirring around you. Maybe stretch like a lazy lure basking in the morning sun. Open your eyes and embrace the day with the confidence of someone who's just enjoyed a serene sunrise at Tanalot. Thank you for joining this session of guided morning meditation. Remember, life is too short to start your day in a rush. Take it easy, like a leisurely stroll through the Ubud rice terraces. Except for coffee, always start your day with Kopi Bali. Namaste, and have a beautifully relaxed and productive day.